Welcome to part 4 of the Enoshima series. Today let's explore around the island during the day, try some Japanese ice cream, walk around rare island spots, and explore some new areas. Today let's learn how to navigate and get to some hidden spots. Enjoy!
Very cold and windy today.
What do you see up there in the distance? Tell us.
I see Mount Fuji out there.
Anything else?
Very clear today. And then the sea candle, which we visited.
Because it's a clear day from the Enoshima Bentenbashi bridge, we were lucky to spot Mount Fuji.
Sugoi. Fujiyama. Hi.
It's amazing, right?
Look at it.
Mount Fuji at over 3,700 meters or over 12,000 feet is the highest mountain in Japan. It is located on the Honshu Island.
I can't believe we couldn't see Fuji at all last time we were here.
Why is that?
It wasn't even that cloudy, but we couldn't see it.
But now we can, huh?
Now it's clear as day.
Wouldn't that be cool if aside from the sea candle?
Yeah, we will be able to.
Heading through the green Torri Gate, we enter the Nakamise Street that will eventually lead you to the Hetsunomiya Main Shrine. The red Tower Gate is the end of the Nakamise Street. The wooden Tower Gate is the Zuishinmon Tower Gate. The building in front is the ESCAR, where you can use a paid escalator to go up the mountain rather than using stairs. The lookout where you can see the Shonan Port yacht harbor, the Kamakura, and the Miura Peninsula. In the distance you see the beautiful Mount Fuji and the sea candle.
There's Mount Fuji there in the distance, and also the sea candle. Pretty awesome.
Here we finally decided to pick a couple of flavors from about 50 existing ones like seaweed, shellfish, jellyfish and rum to name a few.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Yeah, ice cream. Arigato. What does it taste like? What'd you get?
Got banana choco milk.
Yeah.
Tastes very, very banana-y.
And I got sakura flower. It tastes very good, like sakura flower from Japanese sakura trees. Oh man, what happened?
In the next Enoshima video part 5, we finally made it to the mysterious caves. We studied the whole path on the inside, so stay tuned to find out where the caves lead to and how to navigate them. The Enoshima Hidden Caves, only on the Epic Travel Adventures exclusive.
And if you want to see more awesome videos, then make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and of course hit that bell down below so that you do not miss any of my new content. See you in my next video.